Hein van den Berg. I'm from the University of Amsterdam in the Institute of Logic, Language and Computation, and I'm here as visiting fellow for the first semester. I did research on Kant, so I'm originally a historian of science, philosophy. I did research on Kant, and then in my dissertation, I switched to Kant and biology. So I did Kant and 18th century biology and philosophy of science. And after that, I've been more and more specializing in the history and philosophy of science. So I did research on animal cognition, and I did research on the emergence of biology of a science. And recently, I've switched to psychiatry. So you could say that one of my themes is emerging sciences which are young and not fully developed yet. So I'm researching psychiatry at the end of the 19th century now. And I came here because Pittsburgh is a prominent institute in the philosophy of science, and I'm doing a project which is partly history of science and partly philosophy of science. So I plan to write 2 articles. So one is a historical paper, which I just finished, which is on Kraepelin and Wundt, so the founder of psychology, Wundt, or who is often referred to as the founder of psychology, let's put it like that. And his influence on Kraepelin, who is sort of seen as a founder of modern psychiatry. So that's a historical article, and then I want to do, in the remainder of the time that I have, is to write a research proposal on the impact of logic on psychiatry. And I want to do a data-driven study, so I'm from a group, Concepts in Motion, which does data-driven history of ideas. So basically what that means is that we build corpora for a particular period, and then we build models and annotation schemes, and we annotate large corpora on the basis of the presence of an idea. So to give you an example, we annotated hundreds of books to see whether they followed Wolff's mathematical method in the 18th century. And I want to apply that method to modern psychiatry to see whether theories which have been heavily criticized, whether that makes a difference in psychiatric literature. So I was thinking of researching the serotonin theory of depression. 2 years ago or so, there was a review study which was very critical of that theory, and I want to see what the impact was of that theory on present-day psychiatrists. So that's the systematic part, and that's mainly why I'm here, because Pittsburgh is also a hub for experimental philosophy and related topics.